Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. So let's get started. So here we are on our Facebook app, and from here you want to tap on your profile on the bottom right of your screen, and from here you want to tap on settings and privacy right here and scroll down, and from here tap on settings. And now tap on account center right here. Tap on that. And then from here you should be seeing your password and security, so you want to tap on that again right here. And from here, tap on two-factor authentication. And now tap on the account right here that is connected to your Meta account that you would want to turn off two-factor authentication in. In my case, it's only Facebook, so I'm just going to go with that account. And from here, you can see on your two-factor authentication is on, and you can see the method that you have selected for your two-factor authentication. So in my case, I have SMS or WhatsApp, but you can also have Authenticator app right here. So you can just tap on that. In my case, I'll just tap on SMS. And from here, I can just toggle off this button right here on the right side. And then from here, I can now turn off my two-factor authentication. So tap on turn off right here. And there it is. So now let's wait for it to load. And now as you can see, it says that it is now off. So normally it would ask you first about your password, to input your password first before you can proceed in turning it off or turning it on again. So you might want to prepare on that. In my case, since I have already done that, so it didn't ask me anymore. But that is basically it on how you can turn off your two-factor authentication on Facebook. Thank you for watching.